Hi, we're going to be talking about how to log out of the iPads. We've learned over this year that it's very, very important for you to log out of Google Apps and the Chrome browser and the Safari browser in order to make sure that your information and files stays with you and not with somebody else. So I want you every time that you're using an iPad to make sure you follow these steps in order to log out of the apps and the Chrome browser. So let's start right here. And let's pretend that you are in Google Classroom and you want to log out of that app. Go up to the three bars in the top left. You should see your icon here and your email address or your login, your username. Click on this arrow and you'll see Manage Accounts. Click on Manage Accounts. And then once you get this little pop-up window, you're going to have another option to click on Manage. So do that again. And then you'll see this where it gives you a Remove button. Click on the Remove button to remove your account. If this window pops up, go ahead, click Remove to remove your login from that account. And that should be it for logging out of Google Classroom. So let's look at Google Drive. Let's say you were in Google Drive and you wanted to log out of that. Go up to the upper left again with the three horizontal bars, and you'll get a page that looks like this. And down at the bottom, it's hard to see here, but your icon or username will be down there. Click on that, and you should be able to remove your account from there. Okay, so that's logging out of the apps. Let's go over to a browser. Now, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how we figured this out. When kids were going into Google Classroom or students were going into Google Classroom, they might click on a form. Maybe a teacher assigned a little assessment in a Google form. And what that does, since there isn't an app on the iPad, it actually opens up that form in either Safari browser or the Chrome browser. So what this is on this page is the Chrome browser. So if you want to make sure that you're logged out of the Chrome browser, Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper left-hand or upper right-hand corner. Go to Settings. Find your name again and click on this arrow. You'll see this page pop up, and again, you want to click on your username and that arrow. From here at the bottom, you'll see all these different things like sign-in, security, personal information. At the very bottom, you'll see something that says remove account from this device. You want to click on that. From there, it's going to ask you again, do you really want to do this? Yes, you do. You want to remove yourself from that device. Now, if you were in Safari, well, then you're removed from the browser. So if you happen to have opened it in the Safari browser, you would go over to your little icon on the right-hand side. This window will pop up and you click on it and you sign out, much like you did before. And that's it. If you're logged into any of the apps, the Google apps, you need to make sure you log out of those apps. If you used a Google form or you used the web browser and signed into the web browser, you want to make sure you sign out of that too, or log out of that as well. So really, it's for many things that you're going to do, you're actually going to sign out in two places, in the apps and on the browser. If you have any questions, please ask your teacher. Thank you.